something that terrifies most people, and that is public vlogging. If you watch a lot of my vlogs, you see that I do a lot of public vlogging, which means basically I'm in public and I'm vlogging. For a lot of you, I know that this can be pretty terrifying. Honestly, it's really awkward. Once you do it enough, you get the hang of it. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. The West Side Market, and basically it's like a fresh market in Cleveland where a lot of people come grocery shop and stuff. Right now it's after lunch, so a lot of people have gone back to work or gone home. You guys can get the idea that I'm the only one here with a camera and people are looking. That's okay, like, you get over it. It's really not that bad. It's a really good conversation starter. People will ask me, what am I doing? Am I YouTubing? Those things can help draw more people to your channel. Look at it as free marketing for yourself. People think you're talking to yourself, but you know what you're doing and you know where this content is going to end up ultimately. You have to really stay focused on like your purpose and what you want for your viewers to see. That's what's mostly important about any vlog that you make. Just be careful about the people who are standing around you when you're vlogging. Sometimes they don't want to be in your shot. People are funny about being on video. I'm headed back to my car because it's honestly really fucking cold out here. We're gonna go somewhere else to finish filming this. My camera case to my freaking microphone, to me, it just, and this gizmo, like this is my first time using the Osmo 3. I am struggling. We're about to go get tacos and margaritas because I just had to pay $5 to park. And I just filmed that whole other segment in the cold and my hands are freezing. I think I said this in another vlog. If you're thinking about moving to Cleveland, don't. I have a baby face and I get carded everywhere I go. I'll appreciate this when I'm 40. If you're vlogging in public, you have to be really confident. If you look like you're unsure about something or if you look awkward, people are gonna feel awkward. Just look like you know what you're doing, even if you're totally winging it, because I won't lie, I'm totally winging it. Nobody's really asking questions because I'm just doing it, I'm just getting it done. Just do it and don't think about it too hard, you know? I just want to throw in the point that if you're scared of vlogging in public, like, I get it. Trust me, the whole time that I filmed that entire segment, I was freaking terrified because I'm used to traveling and vlogging in bigger cities. But I live in Cleveland and people don't really like vlog here, so people were looking at me like confused. People wouldn't hold the door. People just weren't like nearly as helpful as they are usually when I vlog, so it was really challenging. Don't overthink it. When you overthink, that's when you fuck up. Get the shit done. Literally just get the shit done. Just get the shit done. I love you guys. Peace out. I'll see you on the next video. If this was helpful, because this is my first like talking video too, so we hit a lot of milestones today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!